friends, Running Kimono here, and we are looking at the best deals for the week of October the 15th to the 21st over at Walgreens. I went in store this morning, and this is the week of cheap shampoo, cleaner, and toilet paper, which is one of my favorites. And we have some 33-cent dental care as well. So it's looking like a really super week over there. If I could ask a huge favor, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, would mean a lot to me. And if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing today, completely free to do, and it would really make my Sunday. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is this guy. 5 back when you buy 4. The candy has to be $3.99 or more. And even if it might be tagged in the app, a lot of people are reporting, hey, I'm not getting back my $5 in Walgreens cash. So in store, just for fun this morning, I scanned this Halloween-themed M&Ms. So all the packaging must have like Halloween on it. This one says Ghoul Mix, so you know that's Halloween. They are 2 for $8. I even scanned the normal bags. They're not going. It has to be the Halloween looking ones. So grabbing 4 of those, it's $16, and I know that's a little bit of money for M&Ms, and we don't have any coupons to go with that one. Have your booster loaded, pay that $16, or you could use a bit of Walgreens cash if you wish. And then I believe you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash or a register reward. It's kind of written goofily. So it's $11 for the 4 or $2.75 per bag. And these are, okay size bags. If you throw 4 of these as a curbside order into a basket, you're going to see that your $5 of Walgreens cash is going to post right away. But other items that have, buy 4 of these items, get $5 back for the Halloween candy, it's just not posting, and people have tried it in store and they're not getting their money back. So just be very mindful. Walgreens is a casino that does not like to lose, and I think specifically with this, there might be one candy that's working, but the majority of them, they have blocked it, that if it's even written, you're not going to get your $5 of Walgreens cash. But if you buy $3.99 or more, it seems to be working. Hopefully I haven't confused you guys too much. I know that this morning on social media, I saw this one specifically, which is the $1.29 Reese's Pumpkins. But a lot of people that did this one specifically in store, they're not getting anything back. And they also throw 4 of these as a curbside offer in their basket, and the $5 of Walgreens cash is not showing. Just be super duper careful, guys. So the first deal that I want to look at is with the Garnier shampoos. As predicted, we got a 3 off of 2 for both the whole blends and the Fructis. Unfortunately, nothing at my store was tagged this morning because I did go at the crack of crow. So I grabbed 2 of the whole blends and then 2 of the Fructis shampoos. I don't have a lot of shampoo in my stockpile for whatever stupid reason. And then I loaded the following digitals. That is a 3 off of 2 for the whole blends and a 3 off of 2 for the Fructis. So that's $6 of digitals melting off for me. And then just to show you, what does your basket look like? 2 shampoos and then 2 of the whole blends, mix and match of shampoo and conditioners for pairs. So grabbing 4 of these, that's $16 on the nose, subtracting your digital coupons. I threw in $10 of Walgreens cash, and then I just paid down the tax. And then I got back a $3 register reward. And obviously this is a no booster deal. This week we didn't get any sort of 10 back when you spend 40 digitally, or a 5 back when you spend 20 digitally. I got a paper one out of the Catalina machine, but nothing to really stack. So I just said, I'm going to use some Walgreens cash this week. That was my little plan of attack. And then just to show you, the register reward did in fact print for me, and it's $3 back, or $3 register reward when you spend 10 on the Garnier line. The next shampoo deal, this is a favorite of mine, is the Tresemme 2 for $12. So I grabbed 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, loaded this little cutie, which is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. So 2 of those larger shampoos, that's $12 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 3 for the 2, or $1.50. And these are very large bottles of shampoo. And again, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. And then just to show you guys, here it is. It printed, so I was very happy about that. Delighted, actually. And then I also grabbed 2 of these Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners. They're on a promotion to buy 2, get back $1 register reward. We don't get a lot of deals for cleaners, so I grabbed 2 of them for $5.38. I used $5 in Walgreens cash, paid that 38 cents, got back $1 register reward. And again, this is a deal I did with no booster, so I could use my Walgreens cash to earn that $1 register reward. Just to show you, here's the little cutie pie that printed out of the machine for me, so I was very happy about that. Let's remember that only 1 register reward will print per transaction. So say you wanted to grab 4 bottles of this Mr. Clean cleaner, you'd have to do it in 2 separate transactions, so 2 of these $1 register rewards will print for you. Now we have a dental care deal. These are all $3 items. Definitely use the app if it's not tagged in your store, to make sure you're grabbing the right items. We have $1 digital for the paste, and then a 2 off a 2 for the brushes. So you need the $3 of digitals loaded pour vous. So grabbing 3 of these items, that's $9 on the nose. Subtracting the 2 off 2 and $1 coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for the 3 or 33 cents per dental care product. And it is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And here is our little friend. So I'm happy about that. Now, the paper deal of the week, I think, goes to Scott. These guys are $5. This is one item they haven't increased on that inflation. Knock on some wood very quickly. We have 2 different coupons to go with this, an IVC and a digital coupon if you have them loaded. Just to show you, this item was tagged because I believe it's a month-long promotion. We have the $1.25 IVC, which is a Walgreens brand coupon, plus a manufacturer, which will stack. So this is your manufacturer. Load this one. I think Shopmium also might have $1 as well back. So if you wanted to grab 2, you can get another extra $1 through Shopmium. And then here is your IVC coupon. Make sure you have that loaded as well. Grabbing one of these toilet papers for $5, subtracting the IVC, $1.25 off, and $1 digital. You're paying $2.75 for this package of Scott toilet paper. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this with no booster. You can use 2 and pay 75 cents and call this a very good deal. This is kind of where I came into some trouble. A lot of the laundry products that are 4 for $10, and there were supposed to be some gain included. I could not track it down because nothing was tagged. But if you wanted to grab 4 of those Tide Simplies, that would be 10 on the nose. They're 4 for $10 this week. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and just pay down the tax. And this is a no booster deal. Honestly, if you wanted to grab 8 of them, use $20 in Walgreens cash. If you're a newer couponer and you really want to build your stockpile, that might be a way to do it. Final deal that I'm really loving this week is to pick up 3 of these Complete Home, which is a Walgreens brand trash bags. I hate buying trash bags, the smaller mediums, 3 for $4.99. It's buy 1, get 2 for free. So it shakes this out, guys, to $1.66 per box of like a 30 count of trash bags. If you have pets, I go through these every single day with my cats. So yeah, it's just a really great item. While you're in the store, if you are a clearance shopper, you might want to keep your eyes peeled for this energy drink by Kim Kardashian. I saw this on social media, and it's 50% off at $1.49. I know some markets, I think Texas, it might have been 29 cents. That's probably when it's going to get cleared very quickly. It's called Kim Aid. It looks super uber cute. If this is your thing, or if you want to try it, $1.49 is the price. And also the Walgreens brand formula, 90% off at $2.39. You might want to pick a couple of those up if you have a baby, or even a fantastic donation item. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.